Hello everyone, this is class 7th maths chapter 6 exercise 6e. Today we will start with question number 6. So, sum of three numbers whose ratios are given, right? This is the sum of three numbers. What is the sum? Sum is 4917. This is sum of what? These ratios, right? We have to find the actually numbers. Clear beta? We have to find a clear cut number whose sum comes equals to this. For this we will adopt a very easy method, but before doing that we need to change the mixed fractions into improper. So let's do. So as you know that how to change mixed fraction into improper, firstly we will multiply 3 into 3. 3 3s are 9 plus 1, 10 over 3. 4 5s are 20, 20 plus 1, 21 over 5. 8 6 are 48 plus 1, 49 over 8. These are the improper fractions. Now we have to move as per the question. But whatever method I am going to discuss with you guys, it should be really easy because we have different method to solve these questions, but we will adopt the easiest one, right? For that we will let the numbers are the number which we have to find now. We will let the numbers are, because same thing I have told you in class 6 that if ratios are given, then we can write the numbers like this by keeping x with them. Right? Instead of ratio we have written x with them. Now, sum of numbers, we will add all the numbers. It is equals to what is given in the book, that is 4917. Clear? Now what to do? We will take the LCM. So LCM of 3, 5 and 8, when you will take its LCM, you will get 120. Clear? Now solve the LCM as we have done in class 6 in chapter number 8. In the similar way we will solve it. Draw the line. I always discuss only this method of LCM. I don't use any kiddish method because I know you guys are growing, and when you will move to the next class, you really need this method, not that method in which we make the denominator same and doing all that things. Firstly, what we will do? We will divide 120 with 3. Right? You will get 40. Whatever answer you will get after dividing the LCM with the denominator, that will multiply. Sorry, x was also there. It's 10x, right? Plus, next is a plus sign. In the same way we will solve it. We will divide 120 with 5. You will get 24. You can write it. And same for the next. You will get 15. Right, is equals to 4917. Now multiply them and add them. It's okay beta, you can add multiply them separately in the rough work. Clear? I know question is going bit lengthy, but it's okay, it's easy. Now add all the numbers. You can add them. 400x plus 504x plus 735x. X will come as it is. You will get this 120 will go another side as it is in division, so it will go in multiplication. So now, as we have to find the value of x, this 1639 is in multiplication with x, so it will go in division, very easy. Numbers are bit greater, but it's okay beta. So we can cancel it now. This will be 1639, ones are 1639 and 3s are 4917. Clear? How I got that it should be divided by 3? I just thought that here we need 7 now. So if we multiply 9 with 3, then it will be 27. So we will get 7 in the last. That's why I have just multiplied this with 3. When I multiplied, I got the answer. Clear? So in this way you can check it. Now just multiply it. 12 3s are 36. It will be 360. Clear? This is the value of x. Next, now in the last we have to find the required numbers. So required numbers, our first ratio was 10 over 3x. Clear? Now we will put the value of x here, that is 360. Now cancel it. 3 1s are 3, 3 12s are 36 is equals to 12 under. Our next ratio was 21 over 5 x. Now put the value of x, cancel it, you will get 5 5s are 25, 5 6 and 5 7. Yeah, you will get it. When you will multiply it, you will get 1512. And the last ratio, that is 49 over 8. X is equals to 49 over 8 into value of x. 8 4s are 32. You will get 425. Yeah, multiply it, you will get 2205. Clear? So these are the numbers whose sum is equals to 4917. You can check by adding all the numbers. Let's check it. If the sum equals to whatever is given in the question, then question is right. Otherwise it is having some problem. We have done somewhere wrong. Sorry, this is 7 1 9 4. Yeah, I got the same answer as he has given in the question. Like we have written now. So it means our question is right. I know question is lengthy, just do practice beta, it's very easy. Okay ji, next we will do in next video. Thank you.